What's up guys? Today we're diving into something pretty serious, clean drinking water. That's because tap water is not the hero that it used to be. Fear not though, I've got a great option for you. This M1 Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Purifier. Before I actually even start testing it, I wanted to show you a couple things which I found amazing, real true value add and the sign of a real professional company. Number one, seems like a silly thing, but these blue tape things which always hold everything together when they're packaged, they were nice enough to fold over the edge, so you just pull it off. No trying to scrape, get an edge to pull it off. I think, again, small detail that makes a big difference. Other small details that make a big difference are there are stickers on the top, on the front, on both sides with QR codes which lead to helpful videos to answer the most common questions that come up when you're setting up one of these water purification systems. I think that's brilliant. It's 3 extra stickers that I got to pull off here before I could show you the review. But if this is the first time you're working with one of these systems, I think it makes a big difference in terms of the quality of your experience. All right, let me pull off some stickers and put this thing to work. All right, so I thought I'd show you where the 3 replaceable filter cartridges go. There they are. You got your 3 filter packs. Again, these are replaceable as needed, but they do last a good long time. If you're into that, it actually will hydrogen enhance your water. Now, I know what you're thinking, yet another water filtration system. This is not your old Brita system. This has 5 different filtration systems built into it, which is going to make your water 99% pure. That's going to pull out the PFAS, the lead, all those nasty chemicals you don't want in your drinking water. This is going to do that for you. So let's talk about 2 of the features which jumped out to me. Number one, this thing is a slick, cool looking design, right? Like this is not something that either you're going to be embarrassed to have on your countertop or screams water filtration system. It just is a cool, white, clean design, really nice. The display is laid out great. The other thing that you want to know about it is super easy, right? There's no installation, there's no attaching water supplies to it, anything like that. It is a beast. It holds a ton of water, which is really great. I think it's 1.5 gallons, if I'm not incorrect on that. But all you have to do is you put it on your countertop, plug it in, run the cleaning cycle 3 times just to flush everything out, and you are ready to go. It's an absolute game changer in terms of quality of life in the sense that there's no more boiling water, right? Hit a button, 3 seconds, you have hot water, 3 seconds, you have cold water, whatever you want, or that lovely room temperature tap water, which I don't know, I've become a fan of that. I like the room temperature water myself. So sometimes a key complaint about a filtration system like this, which is a reverse osmosis system, you will see there's definitely wastewater on the back that it creates in the process of filtering. And some people say that is a waste of water, but this is specifically designed to use as little water as possible in that reverse osmosis process. So you're balancing not wasting water, but getting really clean water at the same time. So listen, if you're serious about your health and you want the cleanest water possible, this Melisani M1 system is absolutely a game changer, a winner, and the way to go. If you want to get one, there's going to be a link right here on the screen. Worst case, it is going to be down in the description. While you're down there, remember to like, subscribe, follow. Really helps the channel out. We appreciate that. I'm going to say thank you in advance. Feel free to post any questions you have about it in the comments. We'll try to get you the best answers possible. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video.